My first impression of the white-crowned sparrow is that he had a bit of a skunk thing happening on the top of his head. I was going to name him Pepe Le Pew, but then thought better of it. Pepe had a reputation of harassing unwilling females as a subject of humor. Not cool. This white-crowned sparrow looked like a gentleman to me. I shall call him Jack Sparrow. They can be found across North America from Alaska and Canada to Mexico, but not in Hawaii. Fun fact about them, they can stay awake long periods of time during migrations by resting half of their brain. Now that would be a cool thing if we could do that, especially during the short fuse deadlines. Thanks for watching. Until next time.